welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of some Jordan 1s women's high top silver toes. I've been so excited to actually wear these, but I've been waiting for this video before I relace them or wear them. So we're going to go through like a quick unboxing, a quick little bit about them, and then we're going to go through a relacing because I am so indecisive when it comes to what shoelace to put on a shoe. I think when you relace a shoe, it can be like a completely different shoe. So I absolutely love relacing my shoes. But I am also highly indecisive. So sometimes that is a struggle as well. But hopefully you guys can, decide what lace looks best. So yeah, we'll go through them now. So to start off with some of the basics, this is just a normal Nike shoe box, nothing crazy. No fancy tissue paper either, just white tissue paper. So at first sight, this is a high Jordan. We've got the metallic silver, which is absolutely stunning. I just love this so much. I say that with like every shoe, but I really do love this one. It's also got a tag here, which I think is one of the main noticeable things. I'm not sure if people keep this on or not, so let me know in the comments below whether you keep this on or you don't. I think I'm going to keep it on for a little bit. So we've got the metallic silver on the back of the shoe, and then at the toe cap we've also got the silver. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Other than that, it's just kind of, your basic Jordan. But inside is one of the best parts of this shoe. At the back is like satin, padded satin, and it feels amazing, absolutely amazing. My other Jordans, I don't have this, so this is like a little special feature. Absolutely love that. Yeah, so I'm so excited to try these on. Sizing wise, women's Jordans and men's Jordans, I get the same sizing. I get a size 7 in women's and men's, doesn't matter what sex it is, they fit me both the same. So yeah, let's get into the relaces. So on the left hand side of the shoe, they've got some silver laces which are attached. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go through some black laces which are already on the shoes, some silver laces, and then at the end I want to double lace both of them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about what colour laces I should leave them on. But yeah, I'm excited to see how they'll look on different laces, because literally, as I said before, it's a whole new shoe. So guys, that is the end of my video. If you're still here at the end, thank you so much for watching, and as usual, make sure you subscribe if you are new here. I literally still can't decide. I think, I might go for double lace because it's the best of both worlds. Like every other shoe, I change my laces quite often, so I will be able to, get the benefits of both laces at some point. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.